everybody? It is Nathan again over here at IBIX North America. And today I have with me to my right, this is called the Dagger Mobile Flame Spray Powder Coater. Now this lovely piece of equipment here is going to be great for going in and touching up any of the areas that you may have already coated with one of our other systems, or maybe you use this one and you need to go back in and recoat something that might have been damaged due to any kind of physical altercation with that surface. Maybe somebody ran a forklift into it, who knows. But with this piece of equipment, it's equipped with a backpack, so you throw it on your back, you can go right up in the air on one of those lifts, make it very easy to touch up, go back down the lift and be on your way to the next job. Also, another great thing about this unit is that it actually only requires around 17 CFMs of air. That means you can use a very small compressor. Even if you need to take the compressor up with you on the lift, it should be no problem at all with a smaller compressor. Now, when purchasing this gun, it's going to become equipped with a 5-foot hose to make it very easily maneuverable with the backpack. Also, all the connections on the gun will be made very easy so you can adjust your air, your gas, and also just by pulling the trigger here, it's going to shoot your polymer through that cone of the flame, melting the polymer on the way to the surface and adhering it to that surface. Now, if you guys want to go a little bit more in depth with me on this system, we can always do a virtual training session with you guys. So definitely reach out to us at 727-322-4611, or you can email us at sales@ibixusa.com. Thank you guys for watching. We do offer financing for every piece of equipment here at IBIX, so feel free to ask us how. Restore, maintain, protect. Made easy with IBIX.